Hey you guys, and Merry Christmas, Tommies. Welcome back to DAT Family 5, or if it's your first time, welcome to the family. I hope you have considered to subscribe to our little family on YouTube, and go ahead and like this video. We are doing gingerbread houses today, and I really hope y'all enjoy. I really hope that y'all having a good Merry Christmas. We had our first video up with me and Ezekia doing DIY paintings and ornaments. And this is to end your video, end your Christmas with some gingerbread houses. I'm a little late on the bandwagon with the Christmas stuff due to life update stuff. So if you want to know what's going on, go ahead and hit that link up above, and you will figure out what has happened and what's going on. But we are now just doing some gingerbread houses. You will notice on Mamie's and Rayne's gingerbread house is kind of deflected. It's like curvy, so it's kind of hard for them to get theirs together. But me and Ezekia got ours together, and Doug was just helping everybody out. So I hope y'all enjoy. Thank you so much, and enjoy the Christmas music for one more day. So it's time for a fun fact. So, my late mother-in-law, Rayne, and me all celebrate our birthdays 2 weeks apart and always on the same day of the week. So this year our birthdays were on Thursday, or is on Thursdays. So my husband's mom, may she rest in paradise, hers is on 12/3. That was on Thursday. Rayne's birthday was the 17th. That was last Thursday. And mine is next Thursday, December 31st. So just a fun fact about our family.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hey you guys, I'm hoping that y'all counting y'all blessings and naming them one by one. This year, our major blessing is that we are here in our home for this holiday season. 2019 was a pretty hard year for us. We ended up having a flood in our house, and so we were misplaced into a hotel from 2 days before Thanksgiving until 2 days before Christmas. And so I'm just counting my blessings, named them one by one. We have family and friends. I had a very special friend who brought us a Christmas tree to the hotel where we were staying and made it Christmas-like, and that's to make us have some Christmas spirit while we were there. And then once we got home 2 days before Christmas, we hurried up and got everything set up and ready to go. And then also while we're at the hotel was wonderful to us. They were perfect to us. And then we have a friend. Her name is Angela, Braids by Angela, and vegan. She does vegan recipes. On Instagram, I'll go ahead and put her name down below. She blessed us with so many presents for the girls, and we love her for that. So we just want to make sure y'all count your blessings, name them one by one, just in case you do go through a downtime. You know that you have been through some good times, and there are good times coming. All right, y'all.
It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Yes, I'm coming home to
Alright, so this video is about to end in a couple minutes. Y'all know I don't like to be before y'all long. Praise the Lord. That's just a joke. Anywho, so I just hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I did not have the camera. Doug had the camera. Ezekia had the camera. Mamie had the camera. Everybody had the camera but me. So that's why you see so many different angles and things going on, which is fine. That's how you make a video. But if you haven't yet, go ahead and consider to join our family on YouTube and on Instagram at DAT Family 5. We will be having different branches of DAT Family 5 starting the first part of the year, and I hope that you will join. And I also hope that you will join our podcast that will also be starting the first part of the year, and that'll be DAT Married Life, LYFE. So I'm hoping that y'all will join with us, and I'm hoping that y'all will enjoy all the fun things that we'll be showing to y'all in our new content. Once again, I just hope y'all consider to subscribe to our channel and like, and also comment down below what was your favorite part of this holiday season and what was your favorite parts of this year. I thank y'all so much. We have 2 more videos coming out, and then we'll go ahead and start with our new year. Y'all be blessed, and thank you so much.
I'm forever young, and that's why I want to sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling.